Hello, KonnectzIT family. What's up? What's up? How's it going? So I'm super excited for today to show you this demo of ChatGPT plugin that is KonnectzIT ChatGPT plugin. So let's get started. So what I will be showing you today. So I was just like super excited and I wanted to show you guys on this. So first I will start by enabling KonnectzIT plugin and then just say like I'm just going to enroll a student to a particular course on Zenler. So I'm gonna do that using ChatGPT. So let's do that and connect it. So I'll just say enroll. So let me go ahead and send this to ChatGPT. So let's wait. What will be their message? So it says I can help you to enroll student email to a Connexit demo course on Zenler. To proceed, I will need to use enroll your course or event on Zenler. So it is asking me to pick the app Zenler and also the action enroll user. So and it is asking me to confirm, like that. So let me go ahead and confirm. So basically, it is using Connexit and start enrolling the student on Zenler. So while enrolling, it will going to ask you for ConnectIt will gonna ask you for couple of details. So I'll show you all those details. So it's asking me the same details to enroll the student. I need the following details, the course ID, and it's gonna pick from the drop down. I already given the course ID. So it asked me for first name, last name, and email is already taken from my query, and it is asking me for password. So let me go ahead and give the same thing. So I'll just say like to Ashwin, then five. So let me go ahead and give the same thing. So and let's see what will gonna happen. So before that, I will go and show you guys my Zenler students list. So this is the last list. So let me go ahead and refresh my page. So you can see this is the last list. So let me go back to ChatGPT again. So it says, thank you for providing details. I found the following course for enrollment. I'll proceed. So it's just asking me for confirmation again. So let me go ahead and confirm. So it says me like you do you want to keep that values as these values as static or dynamic. So I will going to say like yes, it is should be dynamic, but I just need only these things that is first name, last name, and the email. So I'll just keep all these things dynamic and rest all things will be same. So it has taken all those details now and it will going to add the student onto the course. So basically what I did now is setting up my workflow. So next time onwards, so I don't need to just do these things. So I just need to give all these details. So automatically ChatGPT will do the job for me, like enrolling students. So let's gonna do that. So it says the student has been successfully enrolled into this particular course and it is giving me the success code as well. So let's go to Zenler and see whether it is added or not. So let me go ahead and refresh my page. So yes, it is added. You can see that. So it's added the student, enrolled the student into my course called ConnectZIT Demo. So you can see that. So now let me go ahead and publish my workflow. So it says like, would you like to publish this or like you want to add more steps? So let me go ahead and publish my course. So publish my workflow as Zenler demo. So basically, so before that, I'll go ahead and show you this. So see, this is my latest connect. So now let me go ahead and publish it. So you can see that. So automatically it will create an workflow inside ConnectZIT. So and name that workflow as Zenler demo. And it is asking me, is there anything else I can assist you with? So let me go ahead and show you the connect it built for me. So let me go ahead and refresh my page. It actually built a workflow for me and it named that workflow as Zenler demo. You can see that. Let me go ahead and edit that. So it will going to show you the entire thing. So you can see that the complete, it actually taken all the details from this webhook and it is giving to Zenler. So it has selected the action as enroll user to connect it, and then after that it has successfully added all those other details and created the workflow for me. So let me go ahead and enroll student and give the student name now as I can go on ahead and give any name and with the first name and last name. So let me go ahead and do this. So let us see like what it gonna do. Okay, so let me go ahead and change my query like this. Trigger the workflow and give the workflow name which has given over here and enroll the student. Let me go ahead and ask for this. So basically, once you set up your workflow, automatically you can trigger that workflow as many times as you can. So you can see that in this case, so it has taken all the details. Thank you for providing the details that to trigger Zenler workflow. Enroll the student. I need these details. So first name, last name, and email. So I had given all those details in my query and it has taken all those details here and it is asking me to confirm. So let me go ahead and confirm. So automatically it will add this particular student inside my Zenler. So this is how you can reuse the workflow setup which you built on ChatGPT and trigger as many times as you want. So just wanted to show this and excited to show this using all this using KonnectzIT plugin. So if you guys have any doubt on this particular integration, do drop me on the comment section below. Hope you guys gonna try many other workflows, many set of workflows, whichever needed for you using ChatGPT and KonnectzIT plugin. Yes, you can see this. It is saying success. The Zenler demo workflow has been triggered and the student has been successfully enrolled into this course. Guys, this is gonna be awesome and you can use it as many times and it will make your work so easier. You can see how the student has been enrolled inside the course Zenler just using ChatGPT, guys. Hope you guys like this and give me a thumbs up for this and thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day.